If you're looking to purchase more than one rosary, we offer a variety of discounts. Simply scroll down to the product page in the middle of the description and it'll mention buy more, save more. Here you can see if you buy two, you'll get 10% off your entire total plus free complimentary shipping using the coupon code 2PC, TWOPC. Or buy three, get 15% off the complimentary shipping using the code 3PC. Buy four or more, it's 20% off of free shipping using 4PC. And if you're looking to purchase 10 or more, then please contact us for a unique code that we'll make just for you. You can see here that we've added 3 items to the cart. Click checkout. And in this case, since we're ordering 3, we'll use the code 3PC. There you go. So this has just applied a 15% discount. You'll see here that the dollars are US dollars. We invoice in US dollars. So although you may see different currencies depending on where you're located in the world, that's for ease of shopping. However, you'll be invoiced in US dollars. So when you click Buy PayPal, it'll convert the money within PayPal. Or if you fill out your details here and continue to shipping with credit card, well, then your credit card will convert the amount for you.